Hello, my name is Indre, and I would like to present to you my thesis. At the core of my thesis is a cognitive function of visual working memory. We use this type of memory to keep some visual information in an active state and perform the task at hand. For example, do you need to find your keys on a really messy table? Here we are. Perhaps copy a complex formula? For similar jobs, you have to rely on your working memory. To use an analogy to computers, it is like a random access memory, or RAM, in which you keep any relevant visual information you need to perform a variety of tasks at any given moment. And in case of the RAM, the more, the better, isn't it? The same applies to working memory. The more capacity it has, the better is your performance. However, in reality, its capacity is very limited. It constitutes one of the main information processing bottlenecks in our cognitive system. Therefore, we aim at understanding these limits and looking for ways to overcome them. In my thesis, I'm interested in how visual working memory, and especially its capacity, is implemented in the brain. More precisely, I am interested in the large-scale electrical activity of the brain, which can be recorded on the scalp and decomposed into different frequency bands. We follow a computational model that explains how different frequencies could impose physiological limits on the capacity, and we use stimulation techniques to change these oscillations. In other words, we apply some sensory stimulation at certain frequencies to participants in our experiments and try to make the relevant brain oscillations faster or slower, so we can make the working memory better or worse. As it is so common in science, we have been getting mixed results so far, pointing to a more complex picture of how brain oscillations relate to working memory. It seems that the same oscillations are likely interacting with other cognitive processes, such as attention. Nevertheless, we will keep investigating how different oscillatory markers relate to visual working memory performance and what is the functional role. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.